Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about a lecture series on Startup Sutra, Nurturing Innovation, Empowering Entrepreneurship. On Saturday 9th April 2022, Shivaji University Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages and SUK Research and Development Foundation have organized Innovation Lecture Series on Startup Sutra, Nurturing Innovation, Empowering Entrepreneurship. The name of the speaker is Padma Shri Professor Dr. G.D. Yadav sir. Padma Shri Professor Dr. G.D. Yadav sir is one of the topmost engineering scientists and academician in India who, despite being an administrator, is still actively involved in guiding PhD, patenting, publishing, consulting and transferring technologies to industry. He is an Indian chemical engineer, inventor, known for his research on nanomaterials, gas absorption with chemical reaction and phase transfer catalysis. He was conferred Padma Shri by the President of India in 2016. He has won over 125 national and international honors, awards, fellowships and editorships, etc. He is an elected fellow of all national science and engineering academies in India, which is rare. Indian National Science Academy, Indian Academy of Sciences, National Academy of Sciences India, Indian National Academy of Engineering and the World Academy of Sciences Trieste. He has been involved in many policy-making prestigious committees of central and state governments, UGC, AICTE, NBA, CSIR, DBT, MHRD, NAC, CII, FICCI, etc. He has successfully guided 97 PhD students, 107 MTech students and 34 postdoc students. He has filed 95 patent applications. Among that, he received 52 patent grants. He has given more than 670 plus talks including prestigious orations, plenary lectures, keynote addresses and seminars across the world in his illustrious career. Today he is going to guide on the topic Academic Strengthening for Nation Building Through Innovation. This is the attendance registration link. This link is present in the description box. Today Padma Shri Professor Dr. G.D. Yadav sir will guide us at Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu Senate Hall, Shivaji University, Kolhapur from 3:30 pm to 5:30 pm. Wearing mask and maintaining social distancing is mandatory. If you want to ask any questions related to this lecture series, these are the contact persons. My dear friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button as well as the bell icon. Have a good day.